So today's video is how to do classic red lips with a sharp line without lip liner and also winged eyeliner. So step 1, draw a line diagonally out from your eyeball. When you're looking from yourself, the line should not go past the crease of your hood. And then what you want to do, my hand's in the way, is draw another line on top of your eyeball close to your lash line. Now you just want to connect the end of the diagonal line out that you drew into the top line of your eyeball. And now just color it in. It really is as simple as that. It's really just that diagonal line out and connecting it to the top of your eye. So all you want to do is you want to make sure when your eye is open that everything on the wing is visible. So I'm just going back and making sure it's super dark. So as you can see, the wing is fully visible with my eyes open. The key is to make sure that the wing is under wherever your eye flap is and that you keep the line on your lid pretty thin. And now onto lips. Another question I get asked is, how do you get your lip line so sharp? And I think a key is just choosing a liquid lipstick with a really nice applicator. This is the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the shade Pioneer. So as you can see, this is a nice doe foot applicator, which is my favorite to apply liquid lips. So first, just slather down all kinds of color and do the thing when you press your lips together. And now all you need to do is go slow. So just fill in the lines, and here you can see, just glob it on. Do your cupid's bow first, I think that's helpful, and then just follow the line of your lip and go slow. I think a nice doe foot applicator helps. So as you can see, going slow, that line is nice and sharp. Well, except right there. But just glob some more on for a more opaque color, and that line is just right. No need for concealer or any of that. Yeah, there's things like sharp wings and sharp lips. And always remember, your wings will not be identical. Do not try to fix it. You will make it worse. Same with lips.